Off on the shores of Cyprus, Montano, the governor of Cyprus, along with a couple of gentlemen, observe the storm out in the body of water. They predict that the storm must have drowned most of the Turkish army. We find out from a third gentleman that the storm indeed did affect the Turkish ships so badly that the war is conveniently over before it even had a chance to begin. Montano is happy to hear this, but is worried about the ship that Othello is on, whom he deeply respects. Othello is to become the governor when he arrives, and Montano reveals that he has served within Othello's army in the past. Then, Cassio enters the scene, followed by Desdemona, Iago, Emilia, which is Iago's wife, and Roderigo. In a conversation amongst each other, Iago starts to offend his wife and also insults women in general. Cassio tries to tell the ladies that Iago could be a little bit rough on his words, and then takes Desdemona by the hand to speak with her. Iago thinks to himself that Cassio is being quite flirty, and that this will be perfect for his schemes that will soon be crafted. At this point, the trumpets sound, and Othello arrives. Desdemona and Othello are extremely happy to see each other, both safe and reunited. While the two rejoice at their reunion, Iago takes Roderigo aside and starts to convince him that Desdemona is in love with Cassio, while pointing out the fact that the two were intimately holding hands together, even though they were actually holding hands in a greeting sense only. Iago then moves on to tell Roderigo to start a fight with Cassio later on in the day, and that this would allow Iago to create a bad reputation for Cassio in Cyprus. The two agree to this idea, and Roderigo leaves. All alone, Iago reveals some of his inner thoughts. "The Moor, howbeit that I endure him not, is of a constant, loving, noble nature, and I dare think he'll prove to Desdemona a most dear husband. Now, I do love her too, not out of absolute lust, though peradventure I stand account for as great a sin, but partly led to diet my revenge, for that I do suspect the lusty Moor hath leaped into my seat." Not only does Iago reveal that he wants Desdemona for lust, but he also reveals that he wants to get back at Othello. He truly believes that Othello slept with his wife, and on top of that, he ends up also revealing that he thinks Cassio must have also seduced his wife as well. And so with all this doubt boiling up inside of him, Iago is determined to continue to scheme a grand lie that would bring everyone down.